Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Lenovo Yoga C930, gather the following tools: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Before you start, ensure your device is powered down and unplugged to prevent any electrical damage. 1. Remove the back cover *. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Typically, there are around 10 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. 2. Disconnect the battery *. After removing the back cover, locate the battery. You'll find a connector that attaches the battery to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this connector using your fingers or the spudger. If you're unsure or lack tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 3. Remove the old battery *. The battery is usually held in place with adhesive. Gently lift it out, using the spudger if necessary. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws or adhesive that may be holding it down. Once the battery is free, dispose of it properly according to local regulations. 4. Clean the internal components * before inserting the new battery. It's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This step is vital for maintaining optimal performance. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider our service. Pickup and delivery at your home makes it easy. 5. Install the new battery *. Take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it's secure. A loose connection can lead to performance issues, so double-check this step. 6. Reattach the back cover *. Once the new battery is in place, align the back cover and gently press it down until it clicks into position. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping. 7. Power up the device *. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga C930. If everything was done correctly, the device should boot up normally, and you will see that the battery is functioning properly. If you experience issues, remember we provide quotes before repair for any further assistance. In summary, replacing the battery in your Lenovo Yoga C930 is a straightforward process that can be done with a few tools and some patience. If you need help at any stage or prefer not to handle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to assist with no calls, no travel, and an easy solution to your battery replacement needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.